Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this purple look right here. So if you guys are interested on how I completed this look, just keep on watching. So for the palette that I'm using is the Jaclynhill Volume 2, and I'm taking this light purple shadow which is called Therapy Sheesh, and I'm just placing that all over the crease. So I'm taking this darker purple shadow, Not My Journey, and I'm just placing that onto the bottom of the crease and just laying those two out. So I'm taking that same shadow that we use onto the bottom of the crease and just packing that onto the outer corners. So I'm taking this white shimmer shadow, I'm in it, and I'm just packing that onto the inner corners of the lids. And then I am taking this purple shimmer shadow, a moment, and I'm just packing that onto the middle of the lids. So for the lashes, I don't know what's the name of them, I can't pronounce them, but I'm gonna be listing it right here for you guys. this is a complete look right here. I hope you guys really liked it. I am obsessed with this shadow so much. But if you guys want to see more of these videos, just subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video.